GlamDollz, I'm here today to share with you all how I achieved this fabulous stiletto artificial nail look with fashion nails that was purchased at my local Dollar Tree. You want to see how I did this? Just keep watching. I'll be using this nail file, some clean white cotton balls, and the Onyx Professional Salon Formula Acetone Nail Polish Remover, followed by the Onyx Professional Nail Dryer that also conditions the cuticles as it fastly dries your nails. So I'm going to start out with the Acetone Nail Polish Remover. I'm going to clean my fingertips, my nail bed, and the reason why I'm cleaning my fingertips is to remove the oils from my skin, and that will help me to manage applying the nails that much better. Then I'm taking the nail file, which is totally optional at this point. I'm going to gently buff the surface layer of my nails, and that's to create a rigid surface. So when I apply the artificial nails, they can adhere that much better. This method has been proven to work for me very, very well. I'm also using the Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue. Yes, the Pink Gel Nail Glue. Absolutely is obsessed with this nail glue, and it's in the pink gel formula. I like to apply my nails two different ways. I'm going to start out by showing you how I put just a small amount of the pink gel glue into the back of the artificial nail bed. Turn it around, position it on my finger that I'm applying the nail, but I'm going to make sure that it's not crooked or anything. Once I get it in place, I'm going to press firmly, count to 3, and then release. Press firmly, count to 3, 1, 2, 3, release, and that's how I'm applying them. Now the second way I like to apply my nails is by placing the pink gel glue directly on my nail bed and spreading it out, almost as if like I'm painting my fingernails. Apply the artificial nail, make sure it's not crooked. Once I get it in its place, hold and count to 3, 1, 2, 3, release. 1, 2, 3, release. And again, I apply the pink gel glue directly onto my nail bed, spread it out as if, you know, like I'm painting my fingernails. Get the artificial nail, apply it gently, make sure that it's not crooked or anything. Once I get it in place with a lot of pressure, hold and count to 3, and I wiped off the excess glue that escaped from me putting pressure on my nail. So that's why you saw me use the cotton ball. Again, apply the pink gel glue directly onto my nail bed. Get the artificial nail. Make sure it's not crooked. And see how right there was a little bit crooked, so I took it back off. And still a little bit crooked. Hold, count to 3, put pressure, 1, 2, 3, and release. Again, same process on my thumb. Same way I showed you all throughout this video, applying it directly onto my nail. Now, I like applying the glue directly onto my fingernail because it controls how much glue is on my actual nail that much better. This is all a matter of preference. So here is my before and after. My before and after, and once I repeat the same steps on my opposite hand, voila! That is how I apply my artificial nails, GlamDollz. So now I'm going to take some clear nail polish. This is totally optional. I'm just taking some clear polish. I'm just going to quickly polish my nails, which will give me a more salon-like finish because it'll add just a little bit of gloss onto the nails. So once I paint all 10 of my fingernails, I'm then going to move into using the Onyx Professional Nail Dryer, which helps to dry the nails very, very quickly, and it conditions my cuticles because this is enriched with vitamins E. And this is the finished look. Not bad to say these were $1. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to let's stay sociably connected. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.